If your Virgin Media Hub 5 is showing a blue flashing light, this indicates that your router is experiencing issues establishing or maintaining an internet connection. This is one of the most common problems reported to Virgin Media support. There are three different types of blue flashing patterns on your Hub 5, and each one tells you something different about what your router is trying to do. A slow blue flash, occurring every 2 to 3 seconds, typically means your router is starting up or attempting to establish a connection to Virgin Media's network. A fast blue flash, happening multiple times per second, indicates your router is in pairing or WPS mode, ready to connect new devices to your network. A continuous blue flash is the most concerning pattern, as it usually signifies connection problems with Virgin Media's network infrastructure. Understanding the root causes can help you identify what might be wrong. There are three main categories of issues that cause the blue flashing light. Network connectivity issues account for 60% of all blue light problems. These include cable signal problems, network outages, and infrastructure maintenance by Virgin Media. Hardware problems make up 25% of cases. This includes faulty coaxial connections, router hardware failure, and power supply issues. Configuration issues represent 15% of blue light problems. These involve incorrect settings, firmware corruption, or account provisioning problems with Virgin Media. Understanding what your Hub 5's blue flashing light means is the crucial first step in diagnosing and resolving your internet connection issues. In the next section, we'll cover the specific troubleshooting steps you can take. When your Virgin Media Hub 5 shows a blue flashing light, start with the most basic check. Verify if there's a service outage in your area. If there's no reported outage, perform a basic power cycle. Unplug your router for 30 seconds, then reconnect it and wait 5 to 10 minutes for it to fully restart. Next, inspect all cable connections. Check that coaxial cables are finger-tight but not over-tightened, and look for any visible damage or kinks in the cables. If the problem persists, try a factory reset. Hold the reset button for 10 seconds while the router is powered on, then wait 10 to 15 minutes for the complete restart cycle. You can also check your signal levels through the router admin panel. Access 192.168.0.1 in your browser, then navigate to router status or cable status to view signal levels. If the blue light continues flashing after trying these steps, especially for more than 2 hours, or if multiple devices are affected, it's time to contact Virgin Media support for professional assistance.